Hello guys, it's Coach Peter Studios, your number one to go channel here we share life help pictures, business ideas, investment platforms, and other vital information that will help you in your day-to-day life. In today's tutorial videos, we're gonna study on how to create a verified PayPal account if you are in Ghana or if you are in any of the restricted judiciary countries. Okay, that Ghana is included. Go to any browser and search for PayPal.com and click on the portal. Okay, click on the PayPal portal. Once you click on it, it will bring you to their interface. Scroll to the bottom part of the site. Okay, scroll to the bottom part. Scroll to the bottom part. Okay, so this is the bottom part. You see where we have the United Kingdom or the UK flag. Click on the flag. Okay, and then we have African countries where PayPal is available, but Ghana isn't in it. So you're gonna scroll up. Okay, scroll up to Asia Pacific. Okay, that's the third column, and then you select United Arab Emirates. Okay, you select United Arab Emirates. Okay, so once you select United Arab Emirates, you're gonna click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will be on personal. Select business instead of personal. Okay, select business and click on get started. Once you select business, they'll ask for your name. Okay, so the name. Let me input the person I'm creating the account on here. So you input your name. Okay, and then you enter your email. Okay, you enter your email and then your password. Okay, you enter your password. I'm coming, and you input your password. And once you input your password has to include numbers, lowercase, uppercase, and special key, and the length of the password should be at least 8 to 20 characters long. Okay, and then you're gonna input your phone number. Okay, then from here click on the arrow and go through until you see Ghana. Sorry, until you see Ghana. Okay, so you see Ghana, and then once you select Ghana, input your number. Okay, input your number here, and then after you are done with your setup, just click agree to terms and conditions and click on create account. So you wait. So we've made some changes to keep your account even safer. So with the number, they will send a verification code to the number, so you receive the code. Let's wait. Okay, so you input your code here, then you submit. Okay, you are all set. Thanks for helping. And then you say your account will be redirected. Okay, keeping us. So here we go. So here is a place that I have to activate your account to start using PayPal. Yes, before, if you skip this process, you can't receive or send money using this PayPal. Okay, so all you need to do is click on let's go. So this section, you have to choose individual seller, okay, or sole proprietorship. So that's what you have to select, and this type of business is individual. Okay, individual. You select sole proprietorship, and what type of business it is this. You select individual, and next. So here they will ask for your date of birth, your nationality, and then these information. Okay, so let's provide them with the information they need. 07 okay, then you input your post. Okay, your post as the box, as I said earlier, all the information that is in blue have to be filled. In red have to be filled. It's compulsory. Okay, so you input your address here. Okay, so you input your box, and then the Emirates, you select Dubai as your Emirates. The nationality have to be on United Arab Emirates. Okay, so click on next. Take a moment to double check your address. So our system have been troubling recognizing your address, so we want to confirm the details correctly. So confirm. Okay, so tell us about your business or organization. You can just select this section will use your legal name as the information. Do the business have website? Select no. If you have, you can proceed. If you don't, it doesn't have, you leave it like that. Then they say what's the business business address, so you can also use that one as the one you use already. Then you select next. Oh, sorry, what product or service do you offer? So from here you select the product or service you offer. Okay, so let me check. So let's just select any of the general contracts and okay, so check your address. Our system is having recognizing, so we're gonna select, because the system is failing to recognize the address. Let's use this Ghana as Ghana Accra. Okay, then use hyphen Accra, and then the Emirates, select Dubai. Okay, use, so let's amend it here. Let's say Ghana hyphen, sorry, I'm coming, hyphen, sorry, Accra as this. Okay, so as I said earlier, for this section you will select this one, because it's in blue, you can ignore it. Then your primary currency, if you want it to be in US dollar, you leave it. If you want other currency, you can click on it to change it to the currency you want. So the product service we offer, let's choose it again. I had an interruption, so don't worry, we are continuing from where we left. Okay, so I chose general, sorry, please bear with me, the system is working slow for me. Okay, so greater a general contractor, etc., and commercial. Okay, so just have to click on next. Then they say take a moment to double check your address. Then they say confirm. So congrats, you are all set. You go to home page. So once you're on home page, they will ask you to confirm your email. Okay, sorry, I'm coming. I want the pencil. Okay, so they'll ask you to confirm your email. So then you click on it to confirm your email. Okay, so you're gonna click on confirm email, and they say we've sent link to your email ID. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to PayPal. Let's see the current message. There's it. So click here to activate your account. Then they'll ask for password. Okay, now just complete the action. Then your email have been certified. So click on continue. Then the next thing you're gonna do is you have to complete your verification. Without you completing the verification, you can't use the account successfully. Okay, so click on the 3 lines, and then so instead of 3 dots, you see where there's a bell icon, that's the notification section. You're gonna click on it. Click on it. That's where you're gonna verify your account. Okay, so you're gonna see the second option. We want to confirm that the information on the PayPal account is accurate. So we notice some suspicious activities in your account. To understand this better, we need more information from you. You will need to provide the requested information to regain full access to see details. Once you click on see details, you see account impact. Now you can use pay using PayPal isn't available, send money or payment isn't available, withdraw from PayPal isn't available. Okay, so the only thing you can do is to receive payment and refund to customers. That's the only thing that's available. So to resolve this, you're gonna upload your ID documents. Okay, so if you are in Ghana, you select national ID, and then you browse your files to select the picture. You can go ahead and snap it, or if you have it on your media, you go to media to pick it up. Okay, you go to media to pick it up. So let's go to, let's see, I have the person's. Okay, so here is it. You upload it and then you submit. Okay, submit, and after you submit it, take like 24 hours for them to verify for you. Okay, so once you submit it, you wait for them to verify. Okay, then after they verify it, you're gonna see that you can fully get access to all the information or all the services that PayPal are offering. Please, after you have done all this process, people end up getting their account banned. So if you don't want to get your account banned, or you want to know how to link your Ghana card, your bank card to your PayPal, comment on the comment section for me to know, so that I will do a second video and I'll tag you in, so that you'll be able to know all the things you need to know about PayPal, so that you can use your PayPal with no hassles. Thanks for watching. If today's your first time coming across my video, it's Coach Peter Studios, and if you are watching from Facebook, it's Digital Income. Kindly give this video thumbs up, follow, share, comment, so that you become part of our family. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching as well.